I'm presenting a case which had not one but a series of complications. It's from Sri Chitra Institute, Trivandrum. This was a 12-year-old girl who was asymptomatic. She had a 16 millimeter posterior secondum ASD, as can be seen from the subcostal sagittal view, which we usually do for profiling the septal defect. She also had a severe valvular pulmonic stenosis, velocity of up to 6 meters per second. We decided to dilate both the valve and close the defect and put a TE probe. This was the TE picture. Very good, adequate rims both in the horizontal and the vertical sections. Because the probe was there, we took an image of the pulmonary valve which is doming. The angio showed, RV angio showed a similar picture. And we went ahead with a balloon pulmonary valvular paucity. Annulus measured 16. A 20 millimeter tie-shock balloon was used. And it can be seen that the flow across the pulmonary valve was laminar and the velocity reduced to 2. Next we closed the defect, atrial septal defect, with a 20 millimeter device, and we landed with the first complication. This is what is called a cobra deformity. There is no other option but to retrieve the device, but it is not very difficult. We did it. And the device was taken back, not fully, but now what has happened? There is no connection between the cable and the device. Now what is to be done? Now with a contralateral femoral vein, we put a wire and a balloon, peripheral balloon. We inflated the balloon. Balloon is getting inflated. This is only to prevent the device being moving antegrade into the vena cava and the RA. If we do something at the sheath, the balloon will prevent that. Now once the balloon was inflated, we could bring the cable inside and screw the device back into position. And then we pulled it out. Now, as discussed by Dr. Sivakumar, we deployed a same device with a balloon support. This was successful. Now, patient was shifted to the ICU and was being monitored closely, and there was a surprise. And surprise turned into horror. What happened? The patient threw up a lot of ectopics. Whenever patient in the ICU or shifted back into the ward throws ectopics after atrial septal device closure, one has to suspect embolization into any of the ventricles. So this is what has happened. It is in the RV. The patient was shifted back to the cath lab. TE was introduced again after intubation. The device is dangling back to and fro in the RA and RV. The same picture was seen on fluoroscopy, and we were dealing with a ping pong. It was snared. Oops. You see what happened? This is the third complication phase. It slipped back. Now it was snared again. The sheath was pushed into the into the RV, and the device was pulled back into the sheath and it was retrieved. Now everything is safe. Now a second device was deployed, a 24 millimeter device which was kept in position. Now the take home message in this case is, even an asymptomatic patient can have serious problems. This is unlike a coronary where patient can have left main stenosis, you can have anything. Any mortality is acceptable, but in a child who is running around, any mortality, any morbidity is unacceptable. Complications come in series, and early identification is important, especially in the ICU. Innovative techniques can be used to retrieve this, and surgery can be avoided. One should not panic. Thank you for listening. Thank you for the chairpersons, and thank you for the organizers.
What was the size of the first device and the second one? Size of the device, first size?
16 defect and 20 millimeter device.
First one was 20 and second was 20.
24.
Why do you feel the device embolized? Like, did you
Yeah, that is another
undersize or
lesson.
did you define
This is a
the
patient
vein
with pulmonary stenosis. Retrospectively, we understood that after the patient was shifted back to the cath lab, we saw that the tricuspid regurgitated signal was directed towards the IAS. So the TR must probably have hit the device, and it must have.
How severe was the TR after you opened
We
the
have
pulmonary?
had 2 patients like this who had balloon pulmonary valvotomy and embolized. Both of them had TR across the ASD, and this device was hitting, the TR was hitting the ASD. So in all our cases, nearly 15 cases we have had, all pulmonary valvotomy oversees the device by at least by 4. Otherwise, we oversees only by 1 or 2.
Thank you very much.
Sir, yes, sir. Dr. Somaraj wants to.
See, after the second device failed, we have what is also called surgery, no? Why was surgery not considered?
Yes, question is valid. Why was surgery not considered?
I can't hear the question, sir. Why was surgery was not done?
Why was it not
Surgery
considered?
not considered.
I think the question
Not
is when the
considered.
second time the device embolized, why
sent the
didn't you
patient
send the
for
patient
surgery,
for
no?
surgery rather than?
That's a
No,
definite-
we were planned to take it, we retrieve it transcutaneous and put a second device. That was the aim. We never wanted a surgery. We initially, all the cases we attempted percutaneous retrieval at least for 15-20 minutes while the surgeon is getting ready, the OT is ready. Meanwhile, if the retrieval is not effective, then only we send for the surgeon. Unless the patient is hemodynamically compromised.
I am not talking about retrieval. I am talking about putting another device after that failure. Instead of that, why was surgery not considered to close the ASD?
The question is that since the first device was retrieved, after the retrieval, since the first device was a failure, then why have you put the second device at that moment? Why the surgery was not considered?
No, it was not a failure. We took the device out.
No. The first is the device actually embolized. The question is that once the first device embolized, then why have you taken the second chance of putting the device? It would have embolized
No,
again.
the aim was to do percutaneous closure. If it fails, then only, as long as retrieval is not failing, surgery is out. Only if retrieval fails, surgery will do.
No, I give up. Thank you.
I believe I answered the question.